Bitcoin money certainly generally has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, which in every practical sense, essentially is very critical, which certainly is very huge. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $228.92 in a genuinely significant manner. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, which really is very critical in an all things considered enormous way. The in every practical sense, beautiful current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money truly is at $100,618,782, which essentially in a real sense is very huge in a significant manner. 08 October 2023, in this video we'll basically walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for the following week and basically certainly attempt to answer these regularly actually most certainly gotten clarification on some things, facts, what sort of is by and large fundamentally transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money. For the most part is BCH a pretty most certainly wise speculation, which essentially generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to plunging pretty profound into the BCH specialized investigation, truly let us basically discuss the fundamentally truly current economic situations, or so they sort of generally thought. Market examination over the fundamentally certainly last 24 hours, there by and large really was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the decently especially whole digital currency market to $1,092,101,741,765, which basically is very critical in a significant manner. The extremely complete exchanging volume especially in every practical sense remains at $17,412,615,578, which for the most part explicitly shows that yet prior to jumping especially certainly profound into the BCH specialized examination, certainly let us for the most part in a real sense discuss the by and large current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Which basically is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33% in a truly significant manner, which generally is very huge. Which fundamentally basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04% in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin money fundamentally essentially has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, which truly is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time span in an in every practical sense, large way. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP in every practical sense, in a real sense is somewhere near 0.54. And at present exchanging at 52 cents, exhibiting how which especially generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04% in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem and in every way that really matters, sort of significant way, as opposed to prevalent thinking. These occasions entirely demonstrate that the market basically is going in a quite descending course for sort of extremely present moment, which by and large essentially is genuinely critical, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, a general genuinely quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they really thought. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially generally are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense, especially recognize certainly beautiful key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, so market examination over the sort of most certainly last 24 hours, there especially generally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the especially really whole digital currency market to $1,092,101,741,765 in an unobtrusive manner incredibly. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers basically for the most part become kind of genuinely more sort of in every way that really matters, dynamic and in a real sense in every practical sense. Prevent the coin's cost from falling any extremely further in a very certainly significant manner, or so they by and large thought. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which vendors basically sort of become move fundamentally in every way that really matters, dynamic and entirely all expectations and purposes, prevent the coin's cost from moving in every practical sense, sort of higher in an unobtrusive way. Following really are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The actual sort of current Bitcoin money cost generally for the most part is $228.92, with an exchanging volume of 100,618,782 in the by and large beyond 24 hours, which sort of in every practical sense shows that help certainly is a level at which purchasers basically become in every way that really matters, all the more for the most part dynamic, and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they certainly in a real sense thought in a kind of significant manner. Presently, BCH generally is somewhere around 0.37% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,469,957,615 United States dollars, so BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $228.92, sort of really in opposition to prevalent thinking in a significant way. Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Examination for 08 October 2023. Inside a pretty especially everyday time period actually truly made sense of beneath, exhibiting how Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction, quite are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense, sort of distinguish entirely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So market examination over the entirely last 24 hours, there outrageously was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, truly whole digital currency market to $1,092,101,741,765 in an extremely all things considered, significant way. We utilize sort of beautiful relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly sort of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including commonly in every practical sense, basic moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to truly dissect the future development of the Bitcoin money. Exhibiting how support especially most certainly is a level at which purchasers sort of most certainly become considerably more kind of dynamic and by and large all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any lovely truly further in a kind of sort of enormous manner. While BCH's Williams %R pointer by and large sort of is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange, especially exceptionally signal basically explicitly is essentially commonly conceivable at this reach. Exhibiting how support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers especially for the most part become commonly more genuinely dynamic and for the most part explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they especially thought, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The very relative strength record, RSI, shows that the BCH coin basically is in oversold